Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this very nice 2015 Q50 that we have for sale. This one is in great shape inside and out. We purchased this from a customer who didn't need it anymore. And of course, us being a new Infiniti store, we're going to jump at the opportunity to have nice pre-owned Q50 for our inventory. This one has 50,082 miles at the time of making this video, and it's in beautiful shape inside and out. Actually, it looks and drives like it has a lot less miles, almost half as many miles in the odometer. It's really in beautiful shape. It's one of the reasons why we elected to buy it for our inventory. So if you're in the market for a fantastic performance luxury sedan of Japanese build quality, this Q50 is definitely one to consider. You have a drive mode selector to tailor the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction and stability control settings to different driving situations or the type of driving style that you want to do at a given time. You also have a rear parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface. In fact, the Q50 is the first vehicle of its kind to have a dual display system like this. The bottom screen is for vehicle settings and apps. You have a steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform shared with like the G37 Coupe, Q60 Coupe, Nissan 350Z and Nissan 370Z. The reason why they call it the advanced front midship platform is they push the engine as far back as possible, so the center of gravity is right in the middle of the vehicle. So of that near perfect 50-50 weight distribution, it really improves the handling and feel of the Q50. That's why most race cars are rear-wheel drive versus front-wheel drive, is because rear-wheel drive really enhances the performance and feel. Front-wheel drive is more for economical reasons. It's more cost-effective to build a front-wheel drive vehicle, and in certain situations, if you're looking to maximize interior space, front-wheel drive makes a vehicle have a little bit more interior space because you don't have to have a drive shaft going through the middle of the vehicle for the rear wheels. But when it comes down to performance and feel, there's no duplicating rear-wheel drive with front-wheel drive, and the Q50 is a real deal. So if you value a precision driving vehicle that's fun to drive and well engineered, the Q50 certainly delivers. Really nice color combination in white, black. White is such an easy color to take care of. I prefer white cars myself. As a car industry veteran, I see how colors hold up over the years, and there's no contest. You don't need to research it. White is just very easy to take care of. Surface imperfections, scratches, which inevitably are going to show up as years and miles go along, don't seem to show up as much on a white car versus a black car, which seems to show everything, especially in direct sunlight like this. The heart of the Q50 is this award-winning VQ37 engine. It's a dual intake engine, so you have two air boxes. Makes 328 horsepower. It's a lot of power. This engine has been used in a lot of Infiniti products and Nissan products over the years, has won lots of awards. This is a proven, well-built engine. We've seen Infinitis come in on trade or in for service with 300,000 miles of variations of these engines still running strong. Maintenance-free timing chains, 105,000 mile first major tune-up. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.